In this section, we are going to talk about layer 2 and layer 3 Ether channel. Here we have versus layer 2 and layer 3 Ether channel. Layer 3 Ether channel is like a single port configured in routing mode, where the concepts of the VLAN is not available. That's a really important point. There's no VLAN or no something in layer 2 in layer 3 Ether channel. The main point of the configuration is to assign an IP address to the port channel logical interface, and a layer 3 port channel can be used with different reasons, such as increasing the performance and the fault tolerance of the link when connecting to routers with routers or multi-layer switches with routers. Any layer 2 signaling protocol such as STP does not have any role in layer 3 Ether channel. And here is how we can configure the layer 3 Ether channel. We have switch 1 and switch 2. And here is the configuration of the switch 1. In the config mode, we are going under the interface of FastEthernet 0, 23 and 24 and typing no switch port by preparing it to the IP routing. Okay, then we are defining a channel group number and we are defining a channel group mode. On this side, we define the on mode. Then we are getting into the port channel 1, which is the identical of the channel group number, and we are defining an IP address for this side. So what we're gonna do in this switch 2? The configurations for these two ports will always be identical except of the channel group mode. For example, if we define active channel group mode in here, we need to define active or passive for this side to make an Ether channel. Okay, and the second thing we need to change in switch 2 is the IP address of the port channel. If I'm using 20.1 on that side, I can use 20.2 until 254 because I'm using 255, 255, 255 and 0 as the subnet mask.